Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do juicy mini twists. I just washed my hair and now I'm going in with some leave-in treatment. I make sure it diffuses well in the hair and then secure with a twist. After that I'm going to work on each section at a time. I'm using mousse to add more moisture in the hair, and it will also help define the curls. That helps the twists to look bouncy and juicy. So I'm combing through with fingers and also using a comb to make sure that the product gets in the strands well and to also detangle the hair. So starting from the back, I'm taking a section of the hair and then divide it into two. I twist each one of them and then I'm going to wrap each strand around each other, and the process continues up to the end. So it's such a simple process. You twist, then wrap, twist, then wrap, twist, wrap. At some point at the back, I'm not even using a comb to section the hair. I just pick a section of hair using my fingers and continue with the process. And don't worry about the white product that is showing. It will soon diffuse and you won't see it anymore. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. You can leave a comment if you have any question. The details of the product, I'm going to use it in the description box so you can check it out. So that is it guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You can finish by adding some oil on the scalp. You can also spray to add some shine to the twist or style to your desired style. So thank you so much for watching. Keep tuned in and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.